Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can duplicate a document tab in your text documents on Google Docs in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, there's a difference between duplicating a document itself here on Google Docs in your library. You may do that by navigating to a library and by, for example, creating a new blank document and by copying the entire content of your document. If you'd like to copy your document content and text, but stay in the same document and create a new tab, let me show you how to do that and paste the content into the new tab. To do that, navigate to your document, open the document tab menu to the left. Let me just remove that tab here and create a new one by clicking into this button. And as you can see, the new tab, document tab, will be empty. So if you'd like to copy that document tab here from that with all the content, click into these three dots and select duplicate instead of clicking into this plus button. And you will see the copy of tab 1 name here. And if I, for example, scroll through it, you will see that it resembles all the content, all the text from the first document tab. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.